Layoff troubles. Is it the hype around the data engineering burst? Welcome to another episode, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So recently I came across this information that around 2 lakhs workers have lost job in US, and 30 to 40% are Indians. That's about 50,000, and most of them are on the H1B visa or L1, which gives them approximately a window time of about 2 months to find a job. So before getting into the details, let's look at what is the hype cycle. What is that? So any new technology for that matter, I consider the data engineering, the data science, the machine learning. It's a new technology, and it had, last about 5 years, there's a lot of hype, and most of the people wanted to jump into that, into the data science field and the machine learning field. So yes, it did provide enough opportunities with big companies like Google or Microsoft or Amazon, because they were all pioneers in this technology, because they introduced different varying products which can cater to the this field of data engineering, which is around artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on. So in the last 5 years, I think people in fact went for the advanced degrees like MS in data science or data engineering, and they were all mostly absorbed in the well-known companies. I think that is where, and again, if you look at this is the source, if you look at it in LinkedIn, there are a lot of reports saying that I'm a data engineer in such and such company. Now I'm laid off and I'm looking for my future with any opening around that field. So I think just my view, a lot of people with the data engineering background is where they have laid off in these companies, though there are no official reports, but this is just what I had seen in the LinkedIn reporting when they have given the message. So if you look at this graph, if you look at it, assume it all started in 2015. Around that time, till that time, people rarely heard about the data engineering, machine learning. Yes, artificial intelligence was there, but they have not heard about the machine learning as on today, the data science aspect. So I think 2022 is what it has burst, and people have gone through this. The peak is inflated. So we are we are at this stage, 2023, we are at this stage. So entire 2023 will be at this stage, I believe. So this is basically an understanding of the real and relative impact of the trend is building. So we, till this point, it's going to be there till 2023, and then it's going to stabilize beyond that. That is the plateau of productivity. So I think it's going to in 2024 it's going to stabilize. Again, if you look at the past history, we have seen the similar trend. We have witnessed this in 2000 and 2001 with .com burst earlier. That was the time when internet was catching up. So anybody with just a knowledge of basic HTML or just for some information about Java, they would just be absorbed in the US based company, and H1 was sponsored and they went abroad. So 2000, 2001 there was a burst, and then after that it started building up slowly. So my point is, yes, the hype might have got over, so don't lose heart. There could be opportunities, build on it, and ideally focus on your learning, like the database tools like SQL or NoSQL, data transformation tool, ETLs, machine learning skill most of you might have already had, and if you have some hardware skill, then focus on IoT. Cloud computing, yes, probably you would have some knowledge on the AWS or Google, then you look at the other cloud offerings as well. The big fours like the Google, the AWS, the Microsoft, or the Oracle OCA, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and data visualization skills, and more importantly, some specific business domains skills will become handy, like the telecom sector, how the business operates, or oil and gas, and so many, like, or automotive. So if you are already working in with the client, you need to brush up those skills as well. So focus at this point of time, what I'm trying to say is focus on building your skills as well, and of course look for your job, particularly if you're on the data engineering side of it. So that's my viewpoint. So do subscribe to my channel, and I would love to hear the comments as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.